Let's see. Hey you guys, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you guys this bold spring look that I got from using products by BoxyCharm, all by Rihanna and Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this, just keep watching. So in this month's box, it came with the Kilowatt highlighter, the Matchstick Shimmer Skin Sticks, the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, gloss bomb, a Mademoiselle Plush matte lipstick, and Invincible blotting paper. I don't know exactly what kind of look I'm going to do today, so I'm going to start off as I usually do by concealing my eyelids. I've already done my brows off camera. That looks good. Now to jump into this palette. So this is the Moroccan Spice palette. This palette is super bright. It has a couple of warm tone colors and cool tone colors. I think I'm going to try to do a spring look with this. So I'm going to start off with the shade Come and Get It as my transition color. That's hella pigmented. Now I'm going to use the shade and apply that into my crease. Now I want to add a little bit of color. So I'm going to take the shade Saffron and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. That is so pretty. I'm shocked this palette doesn't have any fallout. So I don't know what I'm working with so far, but I'm getting there. Now I'm going to take the shade Quicksand and pop that right on top of that shade Saffron. Right in the center. Now I'm going to be taking this shimmery shade right here called Casablanca. I'm going to apply that on top of it also. I'm going to do my face, same routine as I always do it, so I'm kind of just going to fly right through. Primer. Foundation. Casanova. I'm gonna conceal under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Same concealer that I used at the beginning. Gonna set and use loads of bronzer because you guys can see I look super pale. Then I'm gonna contour my face. Whenever I bronze, I use a warm tone, and whenever I contour, I use a grayish cool tone. Looks more like a shadow. And I'm also going to contour my nose. To go back in with the little sponge that I used to conceal and dab right over this. I'm going to be taking this blue shade right here called Evil Genie. And I'm actually going to be putting that on my lower lash line. Very pigmented. This one is definitely my favorite shade in the palette. I'm going to wing it out a bit. This is like some Vogue type shit. Now since I did that, I basically have to put on some liquid liner on the top. So I'm going to be just applying a regular black liquid liner. And I'm tight lining my lash line. I'm not doing a huge wing. Moving right along, I am going to now use some blush. So I'm going to be using the Match Stick in Chili Mango. It's like in an orange shade. I think that's super cute. I've never used one of these before, so I'm actually really excited to try it out. But it has a bunch of little shimmers in it, almost translucent. Let me see if I like this. I really don't know if I like this shade, but I'm gonna go with it and see. It's like a blush and a highlighter all in one. I actually kind of like it. This is None, and then this side has it. I don't want to actually apply it directly to my face because I know it might end up just picking up all the foundation that I put on. This next product is what I was most excited about getting. It is the highlighter in Kilowatt. I know it's been out for a while, but I've never purchased it. I heard it's extremely gold. That is beautiful. I already know that this is way too gold to actually use as a highlighter unless I want to look like a golden statue or something. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply it into my inner corners of my eyes. Let's see. Absolutely amazing. I should have so used this all over my lid. I'm gonna do another makeup look and I'm gonna use this all over my lid. I'm just gonna smother myself in it. And I'm gonna use it as a highlighter too. Someone needs to come take this from me because I'm going overboard. Now I am gonna need to actually highlight my face, so I'm gonna use a highlighter that is not from this collection. This one is just your regular golden highlighter. I really don't need to be highlighting my cheeks too much. Someone is always driving their car this loud. I don't understand why people gotta drive like this. Okay, now for my lips, I got the Gloss Bomb and Universal Lip Luminizer. And I also got a Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade Single. So I'm going to be using the lipstick and then the Gloss Bomb right on top of that. That's pretty. Y'all know how much I'm a fan of lips. Lipstick reviews are one of my favorite reviews. This is turning into a spring look after all, but this lipstick just definitely brought it. And now for that gloss, I already have the original shade that she released and Fussy, so I'm gonna put this right on top. So for mascara, Manicotti mascara. No falsies. And now I'm gonna set my face as best as I can without, you know, spearing my mascara. think I'm gonna pat myself on the back for this one. This is cute. So the only thing I haven't tried out of this BoxyPremium is the Invisimatte blotting paper. But I know you need that later on in the day. I would definitely need it because my T-zone, it gets really oily throughout the day, so I'm always having a blot. But this is all that I have for this BoxyPremium Fenty Beauty spring makeup look. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and slap that notification bell to be notified every time that I post. Bye y'all.